case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1921 case heard by the New York Court of Appeals, Oscar Schlegel Manufacturing Company sued Peter Cooper's glue factory for breach of contract, alleging that the defendant failed to deliver special BB glue in 1916, as agreed upon in a letter. Although the trial court and appellate division awarded the plaintiff a substantial amount of damages, the case was ultimately appealed to the higher court. The majority opinion, written by McLaughlin J., reversed the lower court's decisions, finding that the contract was invalid due to the lack of mutuality and consideration between the parties. The contract consisted solely of a letter from the defendant to the plaintiff and did not contain mutual promises or obligations. As a result, the defendant could not have sued for damages if the plaintiff did not order any glue, since there would have been no breach of contract. Consequently, the judgment of the trial court and appellate division was reversed, and the plaintiff's claim for damages was dismissed with costs. The court's decision underscored the importance of mutual agreement and valid consideration in contract law, ensuring that both parties are bound to their respective obligations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.